What is up, guys? In today's video, we are going to get to Arena 11, or try to, okay? So we already got really close from last time. As you can see, we're at around 3,297 trophies, okay? And not just that, we're gonna use our Evo furnace that we got last video. I haven't used it yet, and I am excited. So yeah, also, by the way, guys, Happy New Year's. I hope y'all's New Year's went really great. But bro, this is gonna be so fun. I'm about to cook these 8-year-olds and make them cry to their mom. Like, let's just get this stuff in the shop real quick. High school ones, we love to see it. Okay. Barbarian Barrel. Yeah, let's see what's going on our plan real quick. What the heck? Okay, so let's get into it. Okay. I'm gonna let him go first. What is the arena about? Okay, let's make a quick. Arrow value? That is arrow is super valuable right there. This is mini P.E.K.K.A. What the heck? Yeah. Go mini P.E.K.K.A. Oh. Huh. Push. This is good. Okay, let's just go through the door. Okay, those being tough. You might lose this first round, though. Key is low key. Build up the low key next contest. I do not know why I replaced that route. That was an accident. Oh my god. First round, bro. First round, we lost. Let's keep going. Okay, so far, why did I Skelly Dragon that? I don't know why, but I keep accidentally placing stuff. Please, Clash, I need this. My account is kind of trophyless. I think we're gonna be able to take out this tower. Yeah, this tower's so damn good. Watch this. Okay, this push is unstoppable, bro. Yup. Yup. Yo, W clutch. Yes. Okay. Your furnace is broken, bro. Okay. Should we keep going? Shall we? Let's go. Which? Rod. Trust y'all. That worked out perfectly. Oh gosh, I wish I had arrows right now. Oh. This ain't looking good. This is not looking good. Value and arrows. That value is good, bro. What do next? The witch? The witch? Let's go ahead and witch that. Wait, hear me out. Oh no, this is cooked. Never mind. Witch? Mini Pekka. Punish him, Mini Pekka. He's gonna literally get out. What? What the heck? No. No, this is cooked. Dude, might actually be cooked. Wait, really? Mini Pekka clutch? Dude. Oh my gosh. Please punish. Please punish. Please punish. Please punish. Hold. Clutch. 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 Yes! Yo, W clutch. W clutch. W clutch. Here on. Yo, we're so close. We got so many rewards, bro. We're getting such a high arena chat. And 75 star point. W. W, bro. Okay, let's claim this. 3 musketeers. I haven't seen any of those in a while. Just level up my 3 muskies real quick. What else is I gonna do? Okay, yeah, look at how close we are, guys. We're literally just few more trophies. Just keep pushing, you know? I'm close. No. No, this is actually fried. I'm gonna have to use Furnace, bro. Furnace will take out the witch at least. This is fried. No, keep punish. Oh, no, I should have mini picked that. I should have honestly mini picked that. Should I just mini pick it and hope for the best? He's dead. Bro, we're gonna lose this one, bro. I'm selling. Why did I place it right there? Loki. Nah. This is devious. Hold up. No, please don't skeleton this. I called it, bro. I say we just keep pushing, bro. Sorry. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know what deck this guy's running, bro, but it's literally so annoying. Whatever. Let's just keep going. Hey, at least we got some arrow rewards. And on this also, we're almost done with this. the heck? I cannot scroll down this thing. Yo! I think I might be able to... Wait, what the heck? Oh, okay. We might be able to start level. No? Okay. Check if we can start level anything. Wait a second. Please, no. Okay, let's just keep pushing. What the? Let's just finish this round and get a little bit farther, and then we're gonna end video. Yo! W wins! Yeah. W. That concludes our video today, testing furnace and finishing part 3 of getting to Arena 11. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all had a great New Year's and Christmas. Like, subscribe, share, all that. Y'all know. But only if y'all like my videos. But yeah, thank y'all. Have an awesome day. Bye.